The .380 ACP pistol cartridge is a rimless, straight-walled pistol cartridge developed by firearms designer John Browning. The cartridge headspaces on the mouth of the case. It was introduced in 1908 by Colt, and has been a popular self-defense cartridge ever since. Other names for .380 ACP include .380 Auto, 9mm Browning, 9mm Corto, 9mm Kurz, 9mm Short, 9A, 17mm and 9mm Browning Colt. It is not to be confused with .38 ACP, 9mm Ultra, 9mm Makarov or 9mm Parabellum. Design: the .380 ACP cartridge was designed for early blowback pistols which lacked a barrel locking mechanism. The locking mechanism that is found on most other pistols is not necessary for the .380 because of the round's relatively weak bolt thrust when fired. The recoil spring and the mass of the slide are enough to buffer the recoil energy of the round. This simplifies manufacture of pistols chambered for such a round, generally thereby lowering the cost. It also permits the barrel to be permanently fixed to the frame, which promotes accuracy. There have, however, been a number of locked breech pistols chambered in .380 ACP, such as the Pedersen hesitation lock of the Remington Model 51 and 53. There have also been some diminutive submachine guns, such as the Ingram Mak 11 and BZ 83. Uses: the .380 ACP has experienced widespread use in the years since its introduction. It was famously used by many German officers during World War II in the Walther PPK, as well as by Italian forces in the Beretta M 1934. However, as a service pistol round, its power did not provide suitable penetration for combat. It did find use as a backup gun due to low recoil, and is popular in the civilian market as a personal defense round. The .380 ACP round is considered suitable for self-defense situations, and as a result, it has been a viable choice for concealed carry pistols. The combination of decent penetration in close-range defense situations with light recoil has made it a viable round for those who wish to carry a small, lightweight handgun that can still provide adequate defense. It was the round used in Defense Distributed's Wiki weapon project to successfully 3D print a firearm. Performance: the .380 ACP is compact and light, but has a relatively short range and less stopping power than other modern pistol cartridges. According to gun author Masat Ayub, some experts will say it's barely adequate, and others will say it's barely inadequate. Even so, it remains a popular self-defense cartridge for shooters who want a lightweight pistol with manageable recoil. It is slightly less powerful than a standard pressure .38 special and uses 9mm diameter bullets. The heaviest bullet that can be safely loaded into the .380 ACP is 115 grains, though the standard has long been 85, 90 or 95 grains. The wounding potential of bullets is often characterized in terms of a bullet's expanded diameter, penetration depth, and energy. Bullet energy for .380 ACP loads varies from roughly 190 to 220 foot-pounds force. The table below shows common performance parameters for several .380 ACP loads. Bullet weights ranging from 85 to 95 grains are common. Penetration depths from 6.5 to 17 inches are available for various applications and risk assessments. Key: expansion expanded bullet diameter. Penetration penetration depth. PC permanent cavity volume. TSC temporary stretch cavity volume. Popular firearms in .380 ACP. The .380 has had something of a recent upsurge in popularity with the increase of concealed carry laws, as have the compact and inexpensive pistols that make use of it. Popular pistols chambered in .380 ACP include Colt Mustang Pocket Light, Llama Firearms Micromax, SIG Sauer P238, Walther PPKS, Walther Park 380, Bersa Thunder 380, CZ83, SIG Sauer P230/P232, Keltec P380, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 380, Diamondback DB380, C.I.P 380, Remington Model 51, Ruger LCP, Ruger LC380, Taurus TCP 738, Glock G42, Mach 11 machine pistol. Prior to 2014, Glock had produced models in .380, although they were not available to the U.S. market because they do not earn enough points for importation under federal law. This changed with the introduction of the U.S.-manufactured Glock 42 chambered in .380 ACP. Synonyms: 9A, 17mm, a United States equals .380 Auto, .380 ACP. A United Kingdom equals 9mm Browning, 9mm Browning Short, 9mm Short. A European Union, Spanish and Italian equals 9mm Corto/9mm Short, French equals 9mm Corts/9mm Short, Portuguese equals 9mm Kurto/9mm Short, Dutch equals 9mm Corts/9mm Short, Bosnian equals 9mm Kratac/9mm Short, Western South Slavic equals 9mm Kratac/9mm Short, Kratka 9/short 9, Eastern South Slavic equals 9 th1 quarter th1 quarter thshn/9mm Short, German equals 9mm Kurz/9mm Short, Romanian equals 9mm Skirts/9mm Short. See also, 9mm caliber, List of firearms, List of handgun cartridges, Table of handgun and rifle cartridges, References. External links, Colt Automatic Pistols website, article on defensive use of .380 ACP from American Rifleman, stoppingpower.info. .380 ACP versus various target videos, ballistics by the inch. .380 ACP results.